short video lang tayo for today. Yes, kakatapos lang nating tumakbo. Dito lang muna tayo sa loob ng sasakyan kasi as you can see, sobrang lakas ng ulan sa labas. We received a good news this week. Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo. We are officially running for Chicago Marathon next year. Yahoo! Um, Sobrang happy at saka thankful tayo na mapili to run for the Chicago Marathon. Sa hindi nakakaalam, ang Chicago Marathon ay isa sa 6 world major marathons. This includes Tokyo, Berlin, New York, Boston, and London. So, pag nakumpleto mo kasi itong 6 world major marathons, may makukuha ka ng medal. Ito ang 6 major marathon finisher. So, ito yung inaasam at syempre gusto ma-achieve ng mga runners all around the world. Para tong crown jewel ng mga elite at pro runners. So, just this year, dinadagan pa nila ng isa, which is the Sydney Marathon this November. So, next year is gonna be 7 major marathons. How to apply for the major marathon? So, there are 4 ways. So, first one, through ballot. So, in my case, nag-apply tayo through ballot for Chicago Marathon at blessed tayo na mapili to run for the Chicago Marathon next year. So, maliit ang chances. For example, in London, there were more than 1 million applicants. And kukunin lang nila is 56,000 runners. So, maliit ang chances pero kung suswertehan ka naman, it's gonna be worth it. So, second way to enter the marathon is through time trial. So, kung you can run like Kipchoge, you can finish 42 kilometers below 2.5 hours, then yes, you can apply through time trial. So, ito yung ginagamit na method ng mga elite at saka pro runners to enter the marathon. The third way to enter the marathon is through charity. So, you will pick your charity na susuportahan mo. You're gonna raise some money. So if you can reach the target amount, then you can run for the marathon supporting the charity. The last method is through international tour agencies. So you will book your accommodations, tickets, and etc. with them, and then you will get a slot for the marathon. So medyo mahal ang method na to, pero kung gusto mo talagang makatakbo at makatapos ng major marathon, then this is the method for you. So mag-iensayo tayo ng maigi. Hopefully by God's grace, we can finish the marathon in our time goal. So yes, start na tayo ng training.